Okay, so today I am trying to have my green juice or at least something healthy. And so I decided to work from the juice bar. Actually, I'm not going to stay here. I'm going to get my juice. I'm going to get my sandwich for my breakfast, lunch, brunch. And then I'm going to probably go somewhere else. But liquid, liquid Nirvana. And I'm having a caprese panini, no meat. It's no meat Monday. And then I'm having my juice. It's called the Liquid Garden or something like that, or the Press Garden or the Garden Press. But it has mint, celery, kale, maybe ginger, a bunch of different things in it. So I can't wait to have that because I have been neglecting. The first week I got back from Jamaica, I was having a lot of juice. Then I settled back into work. I had no time to make my own juices, so I'm getting something today. All right, let's see how it tastes because I've never had this one. Tastes like I'm eating some English. The celery is strong. I think the ginger is strong. This should fix me up good. Eat another one tomorrow. Let's check out our meatless panini. Pretty good. My one problem is the dairy. I love dairy, but I'm not supposed to have too much. But I can't resist. But everything, every breakfast food, every lunch food has dairy in it. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. Thanks for watching.